to the 34 Ford project. Today we have a reveal on the engine. This is a 4-bolt main 351 Cleveland. Today it's going to be a little bit of a field trip. We're going to take you out to where we actually found the engine and how many others we got with the lot. So hope you guys enjoy this one. Stick around. This is one of the craziest collection of Cleveland stuff I've ever seen. These are heads. Some of them are brand new, or completely refinished, redone, and the boxes. Some aren't. Lots of 4V heads. I don't know what's up with this. They plug part of the chamber. If you know what this is about, let me know. It's the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Oh, and not only is there 3 different rollers of heads, here's some more, all repackaged. I mean, they're just waiting to get used. Just a little 4-bolt main Cleveland sitting here. How many total Clevelands are there?
I think there's 9 Clevelands and 1 440.
Another Cleveland. 327. Cleveland. 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 4-bolt main. Another Cleveland.
As you can see here, the truck's mostly loaded. It's got a total of 6 Cleveland engines, a 327, and a 440. In this room, there was also a Ford Flathead V8 and a V12 Jag engine, along with everything else that we have. After everything we loaded, there were still 2 Clevelands left that he wanted to keep for himself, a 4-bolt main and a really nice built 2-bolt main, plus my 4-bolt main block that I loaded into the Lightning. Well, after that, not that we needed any more exercise, but we had all these heads that we had to get. Some of them are rebuilt, and some of them aren't. Let us know if you're looking for some Cleveland parts.
Well, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. I'm going to give you guys a quick little look and give you a couple of hints at what we're going to do with the engine, but there's a lot of work to come, so let's get to it. So 351 Clevelands are known for not having a good valley for oil flow, so we are going to open these up a little bit. We're going to smooth a lot of these casting to allow the oil to flow better, and if you can see right here, there's a nasty lip. So this is where a lot of the oil flow comes from. It's kind of gravity fed. So we're going to take that out, and then there's also a way you drill through here and you put a copper line through for some extra oiling on one side or the other. We're going to get in that to another video, but I wanted to give you guys a quick look. Unfortunately, we do have to get this board. They've got a pretty nice lip right here, so I'm going to drop this off at the machine shop here pretty soon. But here's what makes this engine so special. 4-bolt main on every journal. Some manufacturers will actually have only 2 bolts on the end mains. So, a lot to come on this engine. Thanks for sticking around. Let me know what videos you guys like most. The Lightning, the 34 Ford, the Pantera. Hope you guys have an awesome day.